Hey everyone, welcome to my home and welcome to my channel, A Ginger Can. My name is Brian and today a ginger can prepare cow tongue. Now what you run out, I'm kidding. It's pork tenderloin. We're going to do some marinated pork, kind of Korean Oriental style. So what you need is one package of pork tenderloin, about 4.5 pounds. That's what we got here. We're going to use some garlic, some ginger, lime juice, sesame oil, brown sugar, soy sauce, molasses, and green onions. Now, I have a lot of green onion kimchi. I can link that video up above. And so I'm going to use that. And that means, since this is salty and spicy, I'm going to cut back on the soy sauce. Let's prepare our meat. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to butterfly this. I used to chop it up, but that made it really hard to grill because then it's just little pieces and they fall right through the grates. And we're going to throw it in my vacuum sealing bag. There we go, nice and butterflied. Let me put the knife away. Grab my bag. Now you don't have to vacuum seal these, but I do, just because it helps penetrate the meat a little bit more. And no matter what bag you use, if you use a Ziploc bag, that's fine, or a vacuum sealing bag, I find it's easiest to fold it over because it doesn't get the edges all goopy, which makes it easier to seal. And then it also tends to stay open. So it's a lot easier to get ingredients in. Let me wash my hands real fast and then we'll get to adding the rest of the ingredients. I'll be right back. All right, clean hands. So I have about 2 tablespoons of garlic here. It's about 5 cloves. I coarsely chopped them. You could use a garlic press, but then you kind of lose some of the juice and I didn't want to do that. I have 2 tablespoons of grated ginger. And just a couple quick swipes. And then about what would be the equivalent of 4 green onions if you bought them from the store. But this is green onion kimchi, and as I mentioned before, we're going to cut back on the soy sauce for my recipe, but I'll tell you what to do. So we'll get these added to the bag. I'm absolutely amazed I haven't made a mess yet. I'm going to give my hand a quick rinse real fast. I'll be right back. Okay, so got my green onion kimchi in here. Now you normally add 1/2 cup of soy sauce. But I'm going to cut that back because the kimchi already has a lot of salt in it. So I'm going to add 1/4 cup. And then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of lime juice. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And we're going to add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 1 teaspoon of molasses. Have you ever wondered what they do with the rest of the mole? I'm not going to tighten that because I need to wipe it down real fast. And that's it. So we'll do up this, we'll give it a good mix. So that's it. I'm going to vacuum seal this, so that's the boring part and loud part, so I'm not going to show you that. And then I'm going to throw it in my fridge. That's also the boring part because this is going to sit overnight. No sense in watching it. And then tomorrow night for dinner, I'm going to throw it on the grill, flip it over, cook it, discard everything else, serve it with some rice. Done. Easy peasy dinner. So this has been A Ginger Can, and A Ginger Can make marinated pork tenderloin. I promised this back when I did my bulgogi video. Here it is. It's that simple. We did it that quickly. Although I did some prep work so you didn't have to watch me chop the garlic, and so you didn't have to watch me grate the ginger. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It helps me out a lot. Leave comments down below. Hopefully you found this helpful, and if you did, share it with your friends. Because once you try this and they eat this, they're going to want to know how you made this. So share the video so we can get everyone out there making marinated pork tenderloin. And if a ginger can do it, I believe you can too. I'll catch you in the next video.